Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting power, flip the switch in the breaker, then wait a short safety interval so the lamp cools. Once done, position a stable ladder and put on gloves. You want a steady grip and hand protection against heat or glass. Make sure your replacement matches the base and wattage of the fixture, because installing the wrong type can damage the fitting. Now climb, keep 3 points of contact, and approach the bulb directly. This is where you start removing the old lamp. You should grip the bulb at the base, not the glass. This prevents breakage. For screw-in bulbs, turn counterclockwise steadily until the bulb comes free. For bayonet or GU fittings, press gently and twist as required. Once out, inspect the socket and threads for corrosion, loose wires, or debris. A dirty contact causes flicker. Clean contacts with a dry cloth. If you see damage, stop and repair the fixture. Make sure the new bulb is intact and correctly rated. You install the new energy-saving bulb by aligning it with the socket and hand tightening. Avoid using excessive force. Once seated, descend safely, restore power, and try the switch. Pay attention to dimmer compatibility because some LEDs need compatible dimmers. If the light fails to come on, make sure to recheck the bulb seating. Once done, try the bulb in a different fixture to isolate the problem. Troubleshooting tip. If flicker or no light continues, turn power off and reset connection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.